Hi everybody, Lance Browning, Income Solutions Wealth Management in Tyler. You know, as investors, we like labels for the economy and the financial markets, many of them with the word great in them. The Great Depression, the Great Recession, the Great Lockdown. Well, we've moved into what we might call the Great Disconnect now. How can stocks have rebounded so strongly in the last month amid so much suffering and economic damage? What's Wall Street seeing that so many on Main Street are not? For one, in the United States, more than 20 states have already begun to reopen their economies, and others have plans to begin very soon. In Europe, lockdowns are being eased, following Asia's lead. In fact, Disneyland in Shanghai, China is reopening and is sold out. Gradual progress like this may help the stock market focus more on what's ahead than where we are right now. As lockdown restrictions are lifted, timely indicators like vehicle traffic, electricity consumption, public transportation use, daily consumer confidence surveys, and a wide variety of weekly economic indicators point to a low mark in economic activity in the United States in the month of April. The Great Lockdown Recession of 2020 may be over already, although it may be officially not declared a recession for several more months. Nowhere to go but up isn't normally very reassuring, but to the stock market, it may be. Historically, when things have looked the worst, the opportunity in stocks has tended to be the best. The S&P 500 index has usually hit bottom and started to climb back up about 5 months before a recession has ended. Other factors help boost investor sentiment recently. Market participants have gained confidence from the very bold stimulus response from policymakers in both Washington, D.C. and the U.S. Federal Reserve. The total amount of the stimulus this year is about 22% of the entire U.S. economy. That's almost 1/4, based on gross domestic product, GDP. To give you some perspective, during the entire 2008-2009 financial crisis, the total amount of stimulus equaled 16.6% of GDP. They're throwing everything but the kitchen sink at this thing, and there may be more to come. Surging unemployment and weakening finances at the state and municipal levels may be catalysts for even more action. The medical community also has provided reasons for optimism. Though no one knows for sure when a COVID-19 vaccine will be ready, rapid progress is being made, and several promising candidates are now in human trials. Testing capacity is also ramped up, while some of the best capitalized and most innovative companies in the world are developing contact tracing tools to help facilitate safe reopenings. While stocks may have come a bit too far too fast in the short term, markets are clearly responding to these positive developments. Reopening the U.S. economy will be a gradual process, and temporary setbacks may be possible. Some of the lost jobs may not return. The possibility of deployment as the Great Reopen unfolds is very real. We are facing a tremendous challenge, but it is being met with incredible resilience, resourcefulness, and innovation. Together, we will get through this crisis and return to better times. Once again, Lance Browning, Income Solutions Wealth Management in Tyler. Take care, stay safe, God bless. Talk to you soon.